Lumobo na ang kalamangan ng Rain or Shine to 24. Dalawang tres na si Paul Lee sa ating fourth and final quarter. He's playing really well in his comeback. The knee looks fine. Ito ang isang swak shot. Hatid sa inyo ng Honda Wave 125 Alpha. Ang motor na swak sa gilas mo.
Well, meron siyang gustong average. Hindi ako nakalaro ng isa. Di happy ko yan. Gumawa ako 20, di average ako 10. Kahit di ako naglaro. Yung first game, siyempre, sandali lang siya nakapaglaro. No?
4 rebounds as well, contributing to the cause on the boards para sa kanyang koponan. For Kia, it's a learning experience every time out. You know, that win on opening day was an awesome achievement para sa kanila. But, you know, Barangay Ginebra, as reported by Mara, brought them down to earth in their second outing. And right now, Rain or Shine running roughshod over them dito sa second half.
Well, their expectations are what you would say, you know, not really something that you're looking for big upsets against veteran teams, but you want to compete so that later on you get that improvement as close to traveling. You're correct, Charlie. And finally, this one, an illegal pick. Because at JR Quinyahan, the same kind of pick that was called against Belga earlier that resulted in 2 technicals.
And well, some sort of a similar reaction as well mula kay JR Quinyahan.
Pero,
reklamo pa rin. Pero hindi
konti
kasi,
lang. Mild.
Not technical worthy.
Not mild. Mild spicy lang.
Ito si Pascual, turnaround jumper. He's missed 2 in a row on the rebound play. You can see the red shirts reaching for it. Di lang nila maabutan talaga. Gabe Norwood leaves for Quinyahan to Jeremy Cruz. Mintis ang kanyang outside jumper. Rare miss for him. Jericho, the quick spin!
Yan ang gusto mo sa mga rookie eh. Their spunk. No? Plus yung kanilang gana to pick up offensive rebounds as well as loose balls.
Man, what an awesome opportunity para kay Jericho Cruz to be in a team like Rain or Shine where the coach, you know, whether or not you're a rookie, if you can deliver, he will play you. Even extended minutes. Nice move mula kay Alvin Padilla.
Well, they have a couple of injuries. Kaya talaga magkakaroon siya ng playing time. And remember, they gave up Kevin Alas. So that guy would have gotten also a lot of playing time. And he's showing that he can play right now. Paul Lee, another one from 3. Goodbye. Pang-apat na niya, no?
20 points na yun. Yung sinasabi mo kanina, Dr.
Babawi
J.
ako dun sa averages ko dahil halos 40 lang nalaro ko ng first game.
Ako double digits ako, average ko. When Successful is trapped. Napunta kay Padilla ang bola. Cross court to Lingana. Dangerous pass. Ito na-field ni Rudy Lingana yun. Pero down to 5 na lang kanilang shot clock. What's When Successful gonna do? Field jacket up from 3. Mintis yan. Inside position mula rito kay Quinyahan.
They really have to look for some shooting guards on this team. They want to be competitive. Only just demolishing the opposition. I mean, it's as if the other team does not have anybody that can play defense against him.
Doon nga sa interview kanina, Dr. J, sabi nga niya, hindi siya mahihiya na, you know, na mamuwersa sa larong ito. And that's definitely what he's doing here in the second half. As Alvin Padilla, the UP Maroon, breaks into double digits. But immediately, Jericho Cruz, hindi lang dalawa ang kanyang gusto. Gusto pagdagdagan ng free throw.
Alam mo sila ni Paulie, their tandem is really working very well. And again, Paulie, lahat 40 minutes, balik ulit sa bench.
Oh, nagpakita ka na eh. Okay ka na. Naabot mo na yung double digits average mo. Jericho Cruz, you know, getting valuable experience in a game like this.
The next game for Rain or Shine will be on Sunday. They take on the Talk and Text Tropang Texters on Sunday, no? That's November 2nd, All Souls Day. So that should be a game that a lot of people are anticipating will be a good match.
Well, they've had epic battles in the past. As Bercher takes that jumper on the baseline, and that's target bounces out.
They also played for the championship 2 years ago against each other, the All Filipinos. Good block by Jeremy.
Jeremy Cruz just waited. Napangiti na lang si Alvin Padilla, the rookie. Nabasa siya perfectly ng veteranong si Jeremy Cruz. Ayun, no?
Rain or Shine already has 98 points.
That defensive stop was brought to us by Prefstone Break Fluid. Get good defense on the road with Prefstone's superior breaking power. Protect it. Prefstone it. Ngayon, nasa opensa naman. Ighalo, stops and pops. Still can't get it on the rebound. And Alvin Padilla has impressed with the way he has been fighting sa depensa, lumalaban din sa loob sa mga rebounds. You're looking for bright spots, and surely para kay Coach Glenn Capascio, he's seen something good from Alvin Padilla in this game.
Definitely. Lingana played a very good first half. Then in the third quarter, he made 2 bad passes that Capascio, Glenn didn't like. Remember on the 4-on-3, he passed the ball. Then on the next play, he also made a pass that went outside. And in the third quarter, he took him out quickly.
Ito si Ighalo. He's driving the lane. Nice fake. On the way up, nawala sa kanyang bola. At swerte naman si Mike Bircher, gets 2 points inside.
Does he get an assist for that, or is that a blessing in disguise miscue?
Kailangan niya ito sadya yung pasa, Dr. J, para makredit.
Oh, okay. I'll take that.
The pass goes to Teng. He shot one earlier. That one is too strong. Tulak ni Jericho Cruz kay Ighalo. That's going to be a personal on Jericho. And if you combine the shooting percentage of Jericho and Jervy, napakataas itong dalawang mama nito sa field goal percentage. As we see some of the guys at courtside, Pato Gregorio, he's the chairman of the board this year. There's Commissioner Chito Salud. Robert No, nasa likod niya. Relax na relax. Panunuorin ng Ginebra and Lex maya-maya.
Saka yung body ko si Willie Marshall.
Ayun.
Kita ko siya.
Jerick then called for a third personal. Eli Revilla at the line for another free throw. You know, he's missed 2 already in this game. So tingnan natin kung may improve niya yan. Pasok ang una as we turn you over once again to Mara.
Raymond Almazan lost a lot of weight ng nagkasakit siya, 20 kilograms to be exact. Now, it's been 4 weeks since he's recovering, and now he's at 200 pounds. And Coach Yang wants him to maintain this. Sabi ni Coach Yang sa kanya, he's warning him na mas maraming big man this year na mas magaling. At kailangan na ni Raymond Almazan malagdagan na kanyang timbang para maalagaan niya ang kanyang position. Now, Raymond feels challenged. Sabi niya, sinasabihan daw siya ng marami na madali lang daw to gain weight, pero siya nahihirapan siya. Kahit malakas siya kumain or mag-vitamins, siguro daw kasi nasa genes niya. Now, he's taking this so serious that his new target is 220 pounds. Now, I guess he just has to turn to Bo Belga for some extra rice sipping.
Well, tama-tama nga yun. There are a couple of guys who can help him out definitely sa kanilang koponan. And those are Kinyahan and Bo Belga. Pero wala naman yung, Dr. J, may mga tao na madali mag-gain ng weight. Yung iba, mahirap.
Yeah. That's very true. Kaya Almazan, lose 20 kilograms, 40 pounds. Buti may natira pa.
Oo nga.
I mean, you're 6'7". You know, ano natira sa'yo?
Naalala natin nung pagkakadraft pa lang ng Rain or Shine kay Raymond Almazan at the draft venue at Robinson's Place, Manila. Pinakain agad siya ng barbecue ni Bo Belga to beef him up for the PBA Wars. So let's see. With the right diet, the extra rice diet, baka lumaki nga ito si Raymond Almazan. Some dribbling display mula kay Revilla, the pass inside kay Bircher, and that's a foul. And Bircher will go to the line para for dalawang free throws. Still 5 and 29 natitira dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Benching ko lamang ng Rain or Shine.
But no signs on the part of Rain or Shine in letting up. I really like the way Revilla's been quarterbacking this team. He's scoring, but he's really thinking of getting his teammates to be able to score.
Ito isang rebound, high sa Tibay rebound, brought to you by Eagle Cement. High sa Tibay. Jericho Cruz with the putback. Bircher the miss, and Alvarez gets it back. Padilla gusto pang dagdagan ng kanyang point total. Mintis ang outside shot. Jerick Teng will bring that ball up. And he's fouled. Eli Revilla matatawagan. Look at that coaching staff of Kia Sorrento, Dr. J. Glenn Capascio, of course, taking the lead. Pero he has some guys who know a little bit about basketball by his side. You have Chito Victolero, you have Rob Wainwright, who played in the PBA for several years as well. He has, as an assistant, Robert De La Rosa, who's the son of a former PBA player, Bert De La Rosa.
Bert, yeah.
Diba, na naglaro sa Tanduay at sa Beerhausen.
Correct. It's a player too. Point guard rin yun.
Oo.
With great shooting from the outside.
With the Prince Valiant hairdo. At a time when a lot of
Still
players
same. I saw him only
had
a
that.
month ago. I saw him.
in shape pa rin eh.
Yeah. And actually, if you look at Wainwright, I think he can still play. Maybe they needed to play.
Baka sakali. Ang ganda ng scoop shot ni Eli Revilla. Kaliwa ang ginamit for that basket. Cut the lead down to 23. 4:44 remaining. Almazan! Pumasok pa! Ighalo called for that foul. Chance for a three-point play para kay Raymond Almazan. But that's going to be after this time.